trying to seal his fate. The Conan twins from MXGP making their pro motocross debut. Who will be the best rider in the world will be decided today. Pro motocross is back at Thunder Valley. Roofs flying high through the Colorado sky. 250s and 450s battling for the win. When that gate drops down, let the racing begin. Thunder Valley, Thunder Valley, feel the thunder in the ground. Thunder Valley, Thunder Valley, hear those dirt bikes roaring loud. Chase Sexton railing every berm just right. Hunter Lawrence pushing through the mountain fight.